Psalms 67, verse 1. May God be merciful and bless us. May God be merciful and bless us. May his face shine and smile on us, right? May his favor be on us. May your way be known throughout the whole earth, your saving power among people everywhere. May the nations praise you, O God. Yes, may all the nations praise you. The Lord deserves all praise. May people know that Jesus is the only way, the truth, and the life, and that Jesus is worthy of our praise.